Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Facebook. Let's see how to do that. Go to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account. Now on the top right corner, you will see there is a profile picture icon, which is your account setting. Click there. Now go to setting and privacy. Click setting again on the first option. Now this is general account setting, where you will find there is your name. On the right side, you will find Edit option. If you want to change your name, click Edit. Now write your new name. Read the note. If you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. Like if you want to change your name now, you won't be able to change your name again in 60 days. After confirm your name, click Review Change. Select the right one. Then write your password again. Click Save Change. You can see your name has been changed. Now you are not able to change your name within 60 days. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you.